Hey everybody, good morning. It's Greg here. Just wanted to do a quick review of this Revell Me262 A-1a slash U3, which is basically a recon plane or a jet, early jet. So just want to give some updates. I'm actually into building this thing. We're doing a group build online. Model went together quite well. One thing I did notice is when you attach the wing to the fuse, this bottom piece tends to fall quite a ways into the fuse itself. This little plate right here. So anyways, to correct that, just grab a small piece of plastic card. I actually saw this online, so I don't know who the artist was or the builder. But anyways, he said just put a piece of plastic card there. It prevents that piece from dropping in. Otherwise, the model went together well. There's quite a few reviews of this. It's probably a little bit older now. A few areas I had to fill in with some squadron putty. There was a lot of complaints about the glass, the clear plastic parts. As you can see, mine's not the worst. The only thing I do notice is just in the back here, there's a bit of like really chunkiness. You can probably see it here. Anyways, good little model to build. Having fun with it. As you can see, it's a mess. My wife's probably not too happy. But anyways, yeah, it's a good model. Lots of fun. Maybe watch out for my next video. I'll post some painting, a little more details of what I generally do. But anyways, it's a good kit. A few small issues, but nothing serious.